The narrative writing diamond is essentially a reminder of the shape and proportion that a successful story takes, as well as a reminder of the key skill elements. The narrative writing diamond is a graphic organizer and tool created and developed through the curriculum Empowering Writers. This snapshot is a picture that students use as a scaffold in order to support them when creating a narrative writing piece. The diamond is essentially a reminder of the shape and proportion that a successful story takes, as well as a reminder of the key skill elements needed for writing an entertaining piece. One suggestion for students would be to provide each student with a copy of the writing diamond in their writing folders in order to help them organize and develop their stories. You may also want to post one in the classroom for students to reference. Keep in mind that the diamond is just a basic guide to help students channel their creativity into what others recognize as a story. The goal over time is for the diamond to disappear into the writing, providing just the shape and structure within their creative ideas and pieces.